In this video, we are going to go over an example of incomplete dominance. Even though the worksheet says incomplete slash codominance, this example is indeed incomplete dominance. So in our parents here, we see we have a red flower snapdragon and a white flower snapdragon, and all of these offspring are heterozygous, and they all would have the pink phenotype. Please note that this example uses different letters than than my previous video, and that's okay. There are lots of different ways to do these examples, and lots of different ways to represent this particular process of incomplete dominance. So don't get hung up on the lettering. Let's look at the examples. So we can tell that this is incomplete dominance because all the babies are pink. This is a mixture, like paint. If it were codominance, we would see flowers with red and white dots or speckles. So because it's a mixture, like paint, we know that the example is incomplete dominance. If we're going to do a Punnett square between a white flower parent and a pink flower parent, we would take WW for the white flower, RW for the pink flower parent, and these would be all the offspring. We see the results where 50% would have pink flowers, 50% would have white flowers. In the example at the bottom here, it says suppose two plants with pink flowers. So that would mean both would have RW genotypes. So again, pink flowers, both plants. Okay, so two plants with pink flowers. If we look, this would be our RW would be pink. And then this RW would also be a pink flowered parent. We could then set up a Punnett square and look at the offspring. So these are the offspring of that cross. And we see one box is RR, that would be red. We see two boxes are RW, those offspring would be pink. And then we see one box has WW, which would mean white offspring. So the possible genotypes are listed here, and the possible phenotypes are listed here. And I hope this is helpful. Again, please do not hesitate to reach out with any questions. And I think at this point you are ready to tackle the problem set. Thanks so much.